Hello friends, today's my topic name is Architecture of .NET Framework. Previous video I am explain Introduction of .NET Framework. .NET Framework provide platform for design and develop various types of application. Architecture of .NET Framework include three layers. First, language, second, library, third, CLI. In the language layer, language includes C Sharp, C++, VB and more various types of languages. In WinForm is used to developing form-based application run on end user machine. Then second point, ASP.NET. ASP.NET used to develop web-based application which run on end user and any browser like Chrome and etc. Then third point, ADO.NET. ADO.NET is used to develop application to interact with database such as Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server. Then turn to second layer, library. Class library, it include set of standard class library and it provide types of strings, number, dates and more, and it include reading and writing files, connecting to database and more. Then turn to third layer, CLI. CLI stand for Common Language Runtime. Then it is environment where all programs in .NET run code. Then CLI is placed on top of the operating system. then CLR, CLR can translate code from C Sharp, C++, VB into CLI. CLI is nothing but command line interface. That's it. This is the architecture of .NET framework.
Please share, like and subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you.